Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about partial fractions. So I will put a over s squared, b over s, c over s plus 1 to the power of 2, d over s plus 1. Because we have the power 2, that's why we need to have two fractions. Reduce the power in here. Similar for the second one. Now we do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about s plus 1 to the power of number 2. So capital A multiplied by s plus 1 to the power of 2. About this one, it is missing about s and s plus 1 to the power of 2. About this one, it is missing about s squared. About this one, it is missing about s squared and s plus 1. So we need to expand, and we have like this. Similar for this one and this one. Now we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s to the power of 3, that is about b plus d. About s squared, we have a plus 2b plus c plus d. About s, we have 2a plus b. About the numbers, we have 8. Now we need to compare coefficients. So we have s to the power of 3, but this one we don't have s to the power of 3, so b plus d equals to number 0. We have s squared, coefficient of s squared, we have number 1, so this one equals to number 1. About s, we don't have s, so 2a plus b equals to number 0. And the last one, a equals to negative number 3. And now we need to find the solutions of a, b, c, d. So we put a, b, c, d, go back in here. So 8 equals to negative number 3, b equals to number 6, c equals to negative number 2, and d equals to negative number 6. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have 3 over s. The integration of this one, we have 6 ln of the absolute value of s. The integration of this one, we have number 2 over s plus 1. And the last one, negative number 6 ln of the absolute value of s plus 1. And I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.